day, everyone. So, welcome back to this channel. So, first and foremost, I would like to thank everyone for those who have subscribed to this channel, and I hope that this channel will be of help to you in any means possible. So, for today's video, this will just be the continuation of how we are going to troubleshoot our Wi-Fi connections at home. But for now, we will be using our Android phone, such as this one, to troubleshoot our home Wi-Fi network. And for that, we will be using an Android phone. We will download some application in order for us to help solve our Wi-Fi problems or Wi-Fi connections at home. Okay. So for this one, let me share with you my screen with my phone on it. Okay, for this one, you're going to open up your Google Play and download the Wi-Fi analyzer. We will be using this one Wi-Fi analyzer from FarProc. Okay, just click on that and install. Once you've installed the application, just open it. So initially, it will scan for the available Wi-Fi networks in your home and also other network aside from that. Okay, so for this, it has scanned these Wi-Fi connections. So for the menu for this one, you can click on the eyeball button to click the view. In the view, you can click on channel graph, time graph, channel rating, the AP list, which is currently selected for this one, and the signal meter. So this application is a free application, so that's why we have a somewhat of a small ads on the bottom. So first, we'll take a look on the channel graph. So on the channel graph, it is the same with the Wi-Fi analyzer from Windows, but the good thing for this is it is installed in your mobile phone. So same with the Wi-Fi analyzer for Windows, it displays what are the available channels for you to use. Okay. As we click on this any area around, you will be prompted with the next channel bandwidth, which is the 5 gigahertz uh, 5 gigahertz frequency band. So as you can see here in the top, you can scroll and check what are other available Wi-Fi channels for the 5 gigahertz band. So as you can see, in 5 gigahertz band, there are a lot of channels available, unlike 2.4 gigahertz band, which is only limited to 13 channels. Okay, so same thing, you can check for the available channels. Okay, so we can click here on the view and you can check for time graph. So the time graph here shows you the graphs available on those scanned channels. So not really good to look at. The other one thing is the channel rating. So the channel rating, same with the Microsoft Wi-Fi analyzer, it has also ratings for the best channels to use. So it says here better channels, which is 6, 7, and 8, which is I'm currently connected to right now. So for now, I am connected to Petz zone. As you can see here in my Wi-Fi connection. So I'm connected to Petz zone, which is installed inside the house. Okay, so So let's go back here. So same with Wi-Fi analyzer for a Microsoft Windows, you have an available uh, channels that you can use. Okay, so for the view, you can also click on the signal meter. So the signal meter check on what's better signal strength for your Wi-Fi connection. So since I'm connected to Petz zone, I will be connecting to this one, or any access point that you would like to check. You can also use this one, the signal meter. The good thing about this Android Wi-Fi analyzer is that when you turn on the sound, you will hear this one. Okay. So the faster is the beep, the stronger is your Wi-Fi signal, or the greater is your signal strength. As it is indicated here, that is likely below minus 40 dBm. Okay. So if you'd like to check on other Wi-Fi signal, just click on the access point and you can see the signal strength. Thus, the beeping sound decreases, or the pulse it's generating is much slower, because the signal strength is much farther. Okay, so let's try to check other one here. Okay, the signal strength is good, but the best thing that you can do here is to select your own access point where you are connected to. Okay, you can just turn it on and off. Okay, so to change for the view, not only you can click this one, but you can swipe left or swipe right here. Okay, and of course you can turn off this one. So that's it. So comparing it with the Microsoft Windows application, the only difference is that in Microsoft Windows application, you can see the percentage of the performance of your Wi-Fi analyzer once you change your channel interference section. Okay, here. But with the use of your Android phone, same result. This will help you check if you have channel interference for your Wi-Fi network and also on other devices. Okay, so if you haven't seen that Microsoft Wi-Fi analyzer, you can just click it here or somewhere here and compare the difference. So what is important here is that you'll be able to troubleshoot your Wi-Fi problems at home using both Microsoft application and Android application. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, just give it a like and share it with your friends. Till the next video, thank you, bye. So you can also change the view by sliding to the left or to the right. Okay, here. Ang ganda river. Tuy tuy ni mo eh.